Good afternoon, everyone. We are in Hercules, California at this beautiful listing at 119 Glenwood. Come on by. We're open today and also tomorrow on Sunday from 2 to 4. Let's head on in and take a look at what we have going on here. This is a beautiful one-bedroom condo with a bonus loft, beautifully staged. Bring your clients, come on by. We have some light refreshments as well. It's a beautiful stainless steel appliances, a very nice kitchen. And I'm gonna go ahead and head on upstairs, show you guys the loft area, which we currently have set up as an office. So we have it staged as an office setup right here in Hercules. Give me a call or shoot me a text, 510-367-4492, 510-367-4492, or you can email me. My email is mansur.zahir@gmail.com. And then this is the master, beautiful master suite with a balcony. As you can see, it's a beautiful day in Hercules, California. Lovely view. And we have a walk-in closet here. And then that's actually an air conditioning unit as well. So it comes with that. And then you have extra storage space over here. You have a little bit additional storage underneath the stairs. And over here, you have your lovely washer and dryer in the unit. So yes, the washer and dryer are both in the unit. Hi everyone. And then you have a lovely full shower. And tub combination. So give me a call. I have the details for you. Or come on by and visit us. I would be more than happy to see all of you and your beautiful faces over here. And if you haven't done so already, check out my YouTube channel. All you have to do is type in my name, Mansour Zahir, and it pops up in youtube.com. It's Mansour Zahir, Real Estate TV. And I will see you all soon, hopefully. Hit that red subscribe button. And to everybody that has hit the subscribe button, thank you very much. I appreciate you.